Gujarat's urban landscape has undergone a significant transformation over the past 2 decades, driven largely by policies and developmental initiatives introduced during the tenure of then Chief Minister Narendra Modi. The visionary who became the driving force behind India's progress in the last 2 decades. The one who gave the country countless firsts, biggests, tallests, and largests. He turned disasters into opportunities and challenges into channels of development. A key turning point came in 2005 when Modi declared the year as Urban Development Year, signaling a strategic shift in how the state approached urbanization. What had previously been perceived as a challenge was reframed as an opportunity for large-scale modernization. This vision gained momentum in 2009 with the introduction of the Golden Jubilee Chief Minister Urban Development Scheme, which accelerated improvements in basic services, transportation, and city planning. Residents who grew up in the 1990s have witnessed the transformation firsthand. Slum clusters that were once common in many cities have gradually been replaced by affordable housing colonies. From the rise in living standards to the introduction of solar streetlights, Gujarat has witnessed remarkable transformation. While Gujarati continue to cherish traditional favorites like Ghuggra and Locha, the essence of celebration has evolved with time. The commitment to cleanliness remains consistent, though its expression has become more modern. Earlier, rooftops were used only for drying clothes. Today, they contribute to power generation. Gandhinagar has undergone a remarkable transformation and has emerged as a vibrant youth capital. Gift City has evolved into a major international financial hub. Areas that once lay vacant are now home to institutions such as NIFT, PDU, and IIT. Ahmedabad, once a historic city, has now earned recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage City. The Motera Stadium, now known as the Narendra Modi Stadium, has emerged as the world's largest cricket venue and a host for international events. Surat, historically known for its textile and diamond industries, has evolved into the state's emerging economic hub through the Dream City project. Once regarded as the city's primary lifeline, the PRTS now faces a shared spotlight as the newly introduced metro system takes on a significant role in urban transportation. The Sabarmati River, once a lifeline for the region carrying the aspirations of millions, has undergone a remarkable revival. A once neglected waterway is now vibrant and revitalized, supported by recent beautification and river cleaning initiatives along the riverfront. Upon full completion, the stretch from Ahmedabad to Gandhinagar is expected to be dynamic, lively, and thriving. Governance underwent digital transformation, new municipal corporations were formed, and existing ones modernized. A sports culture was fostered, enabling Gujarati to participate and excel at national levels. This vision led to the creation of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sports Complex and the Karai Sports Complex. Today, what is termed the Gujarat model has been adopted as a template across the country. The Nirmal Gujarat mission preceded Swachh Bharat, while state-led housing programs evolved into the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Gujarat now aims to further enhance urban living by strengthening transportation networks, introducing bullet trains, nurturing a sports ecosystem, and developing startup hubs and business parks. The focus is on creating greener, cleaner, and smarter cities while preserving the state's rich heritage. From Gujarat emerges a vision aligned with the goal of a developed India. Cities full of energy and momentum reflect 2 decades of continued progress.